Welcome to AI DENT. We are AI-powered software as service platform to provide automated dental X-ray analysis by combining AI and cloud technology with years of dental experience and specialized expertise. Let's see AI DENT in action. AI DENT is very simple to use. It does not require any special hardware or software installation. Step 1. Log into AI DENT portal. Step 2. Capture the X-ray whichever X-ray sensor you are using. Step 3. Copy or upload the X-ray on AI DENT portal and submit for analysis. That's it. Within few seconds you will get fully analyzed X-ray by our AI models, detecting 20+ dental conditions, anatomical structures and past treatments. Not only that, but for key conditions such as caries, bone loss, abscess, furcation etc. you will also get precise measurements, such as area, length, distance from the pulp, to determine personalized treatment plan with timeline. Our interactive UI provides all the necessary tools to the dentist to help explain X-ray to the patient. This enhances patients' experience by earning their trust and increase transparency in the treatment process. Try out AI DENT today to upgrade to AI dentistry. Thank you.